take our legs up into a diamond shape. So toes are pointed, toes are together, knees are open, hands coming behind the head, and we just start with our ab curl, lifting the chest as we exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, keeping the pelvis nice and flat, and working right through that midline of the body, belly pulls down, and down, and for 4, for 3, 2, last one, hold the lift, reach the arms forward. Now from here, we're gonna flex those feet. Find a nice deep frog, and we're going into our 100. We start to inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Zipping up the legs, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, half weight. Exhale. 6, exhale, 7, exhale, 8, strong pumps through those arms. Let's go 2 more sets. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Hug your knees into your chest, rock it out for a second. Now we're gonna do a little combo here. We have 4 single leg stretch, then 4 single straight leg stretch. Extend the right leg long, grabbing on to the shin, curl round up, and we switch the leg for 4. Nice pull, 3, 2, 1 straight leg for 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, bend 4, 3, 2, 1, stretch it out for 4, 3, 2, more sets. Let's go for 4, 3, 2, 1, stretch it up for 4, 3, 2, 1, bend it in for 4, 3, 2, last set, stretch it up for 4, 3, 2, 1, hug both knees into your chest, take a little rock and roll. Keeping the chin in. We'll pause up at the top, find you rolling like a ball shape. Even tight, grab onto the tops of the ankles. Squeeze the heels to the bum. Stay tight, inhale, rock back. Exhale, pause at the top. Toes stand off the mat, inhale, hips high. Exhale, pause at the top. Elbows open and spacious armpits. Exhale, scoop the belly away from your thighs. And reach. One more. Up. Now from here, we're gonna go for a second round of that combo, but we're gonna bring the hands behind the head. Shooting one leg forward, we're gonna roll down into our single leg stretch position. Now from here, hands come behind the head, and we switch for 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch it up for 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, 4, 3, nose to knee, 2, 1, stretch it out for 4. We have 2 more sets. We're gonna add a twist, 4, 3, 2, 1, stretch it up for 4, 3, 2, 1, bend it for 4, 3, 2, last push, stretch up for 4, 3, 2, 1, and break. Hugging in, rock it up.